Hi, I'm Keith, a technician of 11 years with USACLEAN, and this beauty is an X20B 20-inch auto scrubber. In this series, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that you can do yourself to minimize the cost and the need for a service technician. Okay, now it's time to either replace your squeegee blades or flip them. What you want to do first is remove your squeegee assembly from your machine. Just loosen the two knobs. Take your squeegee assembly off and remove the hose. Okay, to remove the back blade, tilt this squeegee assembly up like that. Loosen the back strap knob. Now that will loosen up your back strap that's holding the back blade onto the assembly. That down and just remove your back blade. Now to remove the front blade, yep, you guessed it, take out these 4 Allen head screws on your squeegee assembly. Now using a 4mm Allen head, you can easily remove them. Okay, now that you got the 4 Allen head screws removed, you can take your middle plate, slide it back a little bit, and remove your front blade. Okay, now we're installing the new squeegee blade, so the simplest way to do this is start it on one side and then move your plate, your inner plate, into the squeegee blade and opening up the other side. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure the notches inside your squeegee blade are lined up with the notches on this inner plate that's holding the blade in the squeegee assembly. And now hold this inner plate forward and just replace the 4 Allen bolts. Okay, now we're going to replace the rear squeegee blade, which all you have to do is reverse the steps as how you took it off. So your rear squeegee blade has also got notches in them. So you make sure that the notches in the blade are lining up with the notches on your squeegee assembly. Start on one side and then work your way all the way around. Now you may have to play with it a little bit, but that's okay. So now what we're going to do is replace the back strap. The back strap holds the rear squeegee blade to the squeegee assembly. Simple. Make sure these notches on your back strap line up with the notches on your squeegee blade. We're going to turn those around. Now this would be the wrong way. And we're going to turn this around. Now this would be the right way. And lastly, what you need to do is tighten that knob back down on the rear strap. That snugs your rear blade to your squeegee assembly. So that's how you either replace or rotate your squeegee blades. The last thing you need to do now is put it back on your machine. Attach your hose. Slide your knobs in there onto the machine and tighten those down. Once again, my name is Keith. For all parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.